Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Bitcoin has added 3.8% in the last three sessions. The CCI has sunk into neutral territory. The price of gold has remained as is in the last session. The Williams indicator remains in positive territory. The price of crude oil has traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Reeling from the blockage in the Suez Canal, shipping rates for oil product tankers have nearly doubled this week, and several vessels were diverted. The latest UK economic data has been significantly better than economists expected, suggesting households and companies have been more resilient to the latest lockdown. The Bank of Japan said it will begin a feasibility study on digital currency next month, accelerating preparation for the issuance of its own virtual currency, following swift moves by China and other countries.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Japan's jobs applicants ratio will be released at 23:30 GMT, Finland's industrial confidence at 600 GMT, Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. Japan's retail trade will be released at 23:50 GMT, Finland's consumer confidence at 600 GMT, the U.S. three-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.